everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Katrina. In this video, I'm going to be testing out the InfinitiPRO by Conair, collabed with the Knot Doctor. I was sent this product from Influencer for free, so thank you so much, Influencer, for sending me this. If you watch my videos, you know that I love the Revlon one-step hair dryer, so I'm excited for you guys to see how this one works because it's definitely different. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I just washed my hair. I just put it in a bun for now because I'm gonna actually be unboxing the product. I opened like the package it came in, but I didn't open the box itself, so I'm gonna be opening it for the first time with you guys. So here is the box. It is the InfinitiPRO by Conair with the Knot Doctor. I had never heard of the Knot Doctor before this, but when I received this, I went to look it up. I think it's like a UK based company. I'm not sure. They basically have solutions for, you know, detangling hair. Here's the card that it came with. Influencer always has like a little card. InfinitiPRO by Conair, large oval all-in-one dryer brush with the Knot Doctor. So I guess it's kind of like a collab with the Knot Doctor and Conair. I'll just read what it says in the back. Detangle, dry style, and volumize your hair with one tool. Use the Knot Doctor all-in-one dryer brush. It's all you need to create salon caliber styles quickly and easily. Ideal for all hair types. This styling essential is the cure that banishes bad hair days forever. Easy glide, flexolite bristles, painlessly detangle. 3 heat settings plus cool setting. Bonus volumizing attachment, ionic technology for less frizz, and professional length cord. So let's just open it up. This is the main piece. This is the dryer itself. This is the brush. So this, I guess, is the Knot Doctor collab. The flexolite brush, which is supposed to be good for detangling. And then this is a little comb attachment. I thought this was like a comb attachment to dry the hair, like kind of brush it through, but apparently it's supposed to be for volume. Here you guys can really see the base. I just realized I had the plastic on. Very light. Everything's very light, which is good for me because with blow drying, my wrist tends to hurt, especially with the Revlon hair dryer. It's definitely a little bit bulky and heavy. Not too heavy, but it's definitely heavier than this. Another plus already is I like that the brush is detachable because I can kind of quickly dry my hair like this before I use the brush. I did watch like the actual Conair video on this just so I can see exactly what they did, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I was sent this brush for free from Influencer to try it out, so thank you so much, Influencer. If you guys don't know about Influencer, I'll put in the link below, but you should definitely try it out. I've been on Influencer for maybe, I feel like, over 5 years. Basically, they send you items and even sometimes snacks and just things to test out and try out. And they send me so much great products and things that I continue to buy after I've tried them. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested. I'm gonna take my hair down. It's been like 20 minutes since I got out the shower, so it's still pretty wet. For products, I just put a little of this Myel rice water, which I've been loving. If you guys haven't used this, check it out. I get it from Sally's. And then I put a little of this Ion Keratin smoothing balm, also from Sally's. This you can only get from Sally's. You can't really see, but I'll put it in the description. And then as I go for heat protectant, I'm going to be adding this Eva NYC primer. My hair is still pretty wet. I'll show you guys up close if you, yeah, you guys can see. So there's, you know, the basic settings: cool, low, and high. I'm probably gonna use high just because I definitely need it for my hair to dry. This looks so weird just using it like this. All right. So the low is actually, I thought it was gonna be a little more like cool, but it's actually kind of like a medium. So I'm gonna try on the low for a little bit and see how that works, and if I see it's not really drying, I'll put it on.
Ryan Little.
I completely forgot to tell you guys time. So I started at 9 o'clock. I started at 9 o'clock exactly, and it is now, you can see it's 9:09. Also, I did spray, I don't think I showed in the video, but I did spray my primer before I started. Here is what my hair looks like just from using the dryer. It's definitely still a little wet underneath. It would take me like maybe 20 more minutes to dry. You can see obviously my hair is drier than when we started. Now I'm gonna move on to the volume pick. What I saw in the video, basically the girl just kind of went like this and pointed the air towards it to give it volume. I'm not the type of person to go too crazy over volume. I prefer more of like a sleek look, but I will do it since we are testing this out. So you just take it and just attach it on to here, easy. I'm probably gonna use the low heat. Yeah, and then I just go like this, I guess. I don't know, that's what she did, so that's what I'm gonna do. I think I should have watched the video before. I watched it yesterday. I think she said to hold it for like 5 seconds. I don't know. Obviously you can see my roots are definitely lifted. I'm interested to see how that's gonna come out with the blow dry. I just did it for like maybe 2 or 3 minutes because, again, like I said, I'm not too crazy about volume. I just wanted to see if it actually does give volume, and you can already see, yeah, my roots are definitely lifted. I'm gonna add the brush. Again, this is a collab with Dr. Knot. So this is their brush, which is supposed to be meant for detangling, which I know my hair is definitely gonna have tangles from me messing with it, drying it, and then with using the pick. I'm sure my hair is definitely gonna have a little bit of tangle. So I don't know if I should brush it before. I should have watched that video again. I don't know if I should brush it before. I'll see. We'll see how it goes. Let's take it step by step. Let's just attach it. Easy. So attaches like that. You just press at the sides to take it out. Normally what I do is I'll section it like this, and then I'll work on this section, then I'll work in this section. But I'm gonna kind of stick to what she did in the video, and I'm just gonna section it all in one. I can feel like this part is really damp, so I'm actually gonna take this off and just kind of dry it a little bit more. It is, so I'll show you guys, it's 9:21 right now. I'm gonna be talking a little bit just for this section, and then for the rest I'm just gonna have sped up. It's 9:21 right now, so we'll see how long this takes me. I'm gonna put it on the high setting just because I need some heat to get my hair really smooth, otherwise it'll just puff up by the time I finish. Add some more of my primer. Again, I didn't brush my hair. Usually I always say brush your hair, get all the tangles, but since this is a Dr. Knot collab and Dr. Knot is supposed to be for detangling, I did the first section. So I started at what, 9:21, and it is now 9:24. So that took me 3 minutes. One thing off the bat, I have to say, I feel like my hair is really soft. It could be the products I used. That Mael rice water is like really good, but I feel like I don't know, you saw like the way my hair kind of springed, like my ends. My hair feels really soft. It's definitely all dry in the back. I love that this brush is a little bit smaller. I can really just get into my roots and make sure they're dry. And it could be the products I used, but my hair feels really soft, and I really like the way my ends kind of springed and got that flip. So far I'm impressed. I'm just gonna continue doing the rest of my hair. This is gonna be spread through. When I'm editing, I'll probably add in a voiceover if there's anything, I don't know, I want to share with you guys. But yeah, okay, so it's 9:26 right now, so let's see how long this takes me to finish.
So I just wanted to come on here and say, which I completely forgot to mention at the end of the video, this brush worked for my texture hair, but if you have more like curly, coily, more coarse textured hair, it might not smooth it as much, or it might leave frizz. I'm not sure if I really showed you guys like in depth, but my roots definitely had, you could feel like the frizz, but again, that's normal. Usually with any blow dry, I'll have to flat iron my roots because otherwise it'll just puff up. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that if you have like more texture hair than mine, it might definitely require more, you know, passes with the brush. But I mean, all in all, I think it should smooth all textures. It just depends on how much smoothness you can get.
Okay, so I just finished. Look at all the volume I have. Oh my god. I normally do not do my hair with this amount of volume, but look at how much it's literally lifted so much off my root. Like that, like this pick really made a difference. Well, I normally do not do my hair this big. Like it literally looks like I teased my hair. I never do my hair like this. I mean, it's not too crazy. It's just for me. Like I said, I never go too crazy for volume. For me, the more sleek, the better. But I'm just like, this is crazy. Like you can literally see my roots are going up. Wow. We started at, I don't know, but it is now 9:41. Again, if I wasn't like talking, I probably would have done this a lot faster, but still, that's pretty fast. To dry my hair in like 20 minutes is like unheard of, only with my Revlon brush. Yeah, here is the finished look. Again, like I said, I definitely have a lot of volume. My roots, I feel a little bit of frizz in my roots, but that happens when I use a regular blow dryer. I mean, I definitely need heat to tame my hair, so when I use a regular blow dryer, even when I use my Revlon brush, if I want my hair to last all day, I'll usually just flat iron my roots. So I'm not too surprised about that. I love the way it came out. I mean, again, like I said, I was really surprised of like the flip. Like my hair feels really soft. I don't know why. Again, it could be the product I use, but my hair feels really soft. I mean, it did say that it does say on the box, tourmaline ceramic, less frizz for healthy looking shiny hair. The less frizz part, I don't know, because again, like I said, I do feel the texture in my roots, but again, that happens when I use a regular blow dryer. Like my roots just need like a flat iron to really press it down and tame it. One thing I can say for sure is it really does help with the tangles. I don't think I'm going to cut everything. I'm going to speed everything up. You can see I did not brush my hair once. I didn't brush my hair when I got out the shower. I didn't brush my hair while I was doing it. I did not need to brush my hair, and it got in my tangles and it didn't snag. Like I wasn't like, you know, pulling my hair. That's definitely a plus, and it definitely saved me a lot of time from me having to kind of brush each section and then blow dry. I had never heard of the Knot Doctor. Have I been saying Dr. Knot? I feel like I've been saying Dr. Knot. It's the Knot Doctor. I had not heard of the Knot Doctor prior to this, but I'm definitely gonna go on his website and look at, but I'm definitely gonna go on the website and see like the brushes they have, because one thing I do struggle with, especially with me and my daughter's hair, is like tangles and getting knots out. Again, another plus I have to say is I love that it's detachable. If you use these kind of bristles on like super wet hair, or just any brush, like even just any kind of round brush, the bristles are gonna start to, you know, they're going to start to get dull. They're not going to be, you know, as strong, and the brush is not going to be as good. So I like that it's detachable and I can dry my hair first to get all that extra moisture out. and then use the brush. And then I really like this comb pick. You could see it really lifted my roots. I would definitely recommend this. I think it's normally $60, $59.99. I'm not sure. I'll put it here or in the description below. I really didn't think I was going to be too crazy of it just because it's Conair. I don't have any Conair tools just because I don't think the blow dryers or anything would be as strong to kind of tame mine hair. But this definitely worked for me. Thank you again to Influencer for sending me this. This is like the best thing I've ever received from them. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of me using both of these dryers. This is the Conair one we used today, and this is my Revlon hair dryer. If you guys want to see a video of me using these both and see how each one turns out, comment down below and let me know. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're always notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.